Pleasure and Pain is the fifth studio album by British pop rock group Pow. It was released in 2015 and was their first album of new material since Red in 1998. Overview. The album reached number 98 on the UK Albums Chart. Track listing. Personnel: Carol Decker, vocals; Ron Rogers, guitars; James Ashby, guitars; Karsten Moss, keyboards; Kez Coons, bass; Dave Hattie, drums; Aded Adams, background vocals on Read My Mind. Additional musicians on I Think About You: Aaron Amun, Alan Thompson, Spencer Cozens, Tosh Wagowski, Dean Howard, Scott Firth, John Henderson. Note: spellings as per sleeve notes. Songwriting credits have Thompson and Wagowski. Production produced and mixed by Ron Rogers, except Read My Mind produced by Karsten Moss and Change Your Mind mixed by Jez Ashurst. Mastered by Pete Meyer. Recorded at Up the Lane Recordings, Monmouth. References: